Insightly is the heart of all your business relationships.
But you spend a lot of time in your inbox nurturing those relationships.
So if you use Microsoft Outlook, you gotta get the Insightly Sidebar.
You got it. It's gonna help you build stronger relationships right from your inbox.
Let's check it out. All right, now that we've got everything set up, you're gonna see for the first time this little Insightly icon in the bottom right. You click on that and it brings up all of your email sending tools provided by Insightly. So who should we send this email to, Tony?
Oh, send it to me, John.
All right, Antonio Roma it is. Close that out. So here we can choose to add or delete any links before the email is sent. Pretty handy. And then these are the two power features, in my opinion. First is send later. Second is insert template. Let's take a look at the template first.
These are pulling your templates right from Insightly. So the email templates that you have set up in Insightly can be pulled over to Outlook.
For example, we're going to cold email Antonio here.
And you have your field names highlighted. You just go in and replace those with actual information.
These don't get autofilled, so just make sure to replace anything that needs to be replaced. All right, so that's good. But now the last thing we want to take a look at is send later. Tony often checks his email at approximately 4:30 in the morning. So we wanted to arrive at 4:30 on the dot to give us the best chance of Tony engaging with the email. We'll click schedule to send, and it's scheduled. There we go. We can even click through and see this in Insightly. And if you don't want to schedule your email, all you do is click send via Insightly. The email will go through Insightly, and all of the emails that you send via Insightly will also be logged in your sent items folder. So you can go back to them at any time and have context for what you're working on. And here is the second component of what's so powerful about this Insightly sidebar for Outlook. You can view your entire CRM as if you were in Insightly, but without leaving your inbox.
Yeah, so you can see everything about this contact right in your inbox.
And virtually your entire CRM as well. And if the person or record you're interested in isn't involved in this email, search for it and open up that record detail.
And then we have the new icon where you can create any new record, not necessarily based on the email in this case. You just want to create a new record. It'll pop you right over to Insightly to fill in the information.
All right, this is the last key part, and that is email saving.
The Insightly icon will live right at the top of all your incoming emails.
And you have these three options. So for example, if you get an email in and it's somebody who's interested in your product, you're going to want to save it as an opportunity or perhaps a lead, depending on your sales process, so that you can save the contact, save the email, and create the opportunity all at the same time.
My favorite option on that menu is the save and add link, because you can save the email and see all your linking options.
Exactly. So we've got this brand new contact in Insightly CRM. Do we want to save them as a contact or a lead or not add them? We can add a link to anybody if we'd like to. Here are the automatically linked records. And finally, there's this nifty button here, which will allow you to save or not save these attachments to Insightly. In this case, we've got a picture of our CEO, Anthony, down here. Of course, we do want to save this beautiful image, so we will save these attachments to Insightly. And in fact, when we open the sidebar, click through, we can see. Gotta say, that is a high quality sidebar.
So go get the add-in and turn your negative Outlook into a positive Outlook.
Good one, Tony. And let us know what you guys think.